Good morning to everyone. My name is Ira and today we're doing Barbie makeup look. We have a premiere today in Spain. Everyone are doing now the pink. And since pink is my favorite color, I was like, yes, I will also do hot pink. I've already applied my MAC Painterly Paint Pot. 38L Hit the Lights palette from Morphe. It was a limited edition from 4 bloggers, I guess, like beauty bloggers. So it looks like this. You can understand which color I'm going to use. To be honest, my favorite part in the whole palette is this one. How many colors they usually do? Yeah, this is exactly what I like. This one's. Yeah, 4. So this part is my favorite one because we have neutrals, we have glitter, we have black, and the glitters are good. Like, not as good as Tati's one, but very good ones. And it's from one of my favorite bloggers, like the beauty bloggers, Xtuli, something like that. I will be starting with those neutral colors in my crease, just for the transitions. So for the canvas, I used colors My Type and Hookup and Reckless. This is the bright pink one. Looks like neon. Nice. Very neon. Now I will apply a little bit of the color, which is called Rhythm and No Regrets. So I actually muted it a little bit, this pinkish color. And now I'm applying the pink glitter from the platform. Yeah, sorry, I'm just working in an inner corner to give us some dimension like this. I'm actually excited to watch the movie because I never seen the trailer, but I know the hype already for like more than half a year or even a year. But I've never watched the trailer, so I was 1 week ago I watched it and I was like surprised. I was like, wow, makes sense. I thought it would be about something else. Now I'm doing my liner with this MAC 212 brush. Super easy. Okay, so I'm back. I cleaned a little bit, but not yet. Like here, yes, and here I'm waiting for final blending. So in a waterline, I applied my Huda Beauty pencil. Also applied Cabaret mascara from Vivienne Sabo, and as a primer I applied this Bare With Me daily moisturizing primer with SPF 30. I bought it because of the recommendations of one beauty blogger, which I really love. Quite nice. It's glowing. It's primering and it's SPF. And I would need and also I applied my eye cream, of course, the Origins one. It's 35 degrees outside. It's horrible. Well, no, I like it, to be honest, but it's sweaty. So I will apply this mini version of Farsali. Don't ask me where I found it. I applied it only in a T-zone. So I will apply my All Nighter foundation from Urban Decay in a shade 2.5. MAC 159 brush. What's going on with Urban Decay and pumps? I cannot open it. And then, Urban Decay, do something, eh? Like this. What's this? That's very bad. I will go and send them review. So the pipe is somewhere there. Amazing. And because foundation is thick, you need to hit yourself to get it. I assume I will be applying a late layer. And because of this pump that it doesn't work, I applied too much and now I have waste. You know, like, what's this? Urban Decay, why I'm paying money and after half a year I'm having these issues. What's this? For the concealer, ABH palette. We'll be using the shade, very good question. Let's use the shade Neutral. That one for the concealer. And the contour the same, from ABH palette. No, let's firstly wait. I will set up my face with the powder, with the Creolan one. But only this part. I will do my eyebrows and then I will continue with the contouring. So I did my eyebrows. I applied this Kiss New York Top Brow Pomade. And I will be using now the 3D brown tones from Benefit in the shade, I have no idea. 2. Looks like this. I like this product. It's not like a product which you can use by your own, because it's not holding and it's given a little bit of hint of blondish undertones. So for example, whenever I'm applying too dark eyebrow products, so some dark products or too gray, like not my skin tone, not my undertone, I'm applying this and it lights up the brow. I was thinking to make a picture today for my documents, but I'm not sure anymore. Coming back to the contouring. I assume I would need to use the Fix Plus or something like that. Pride, by the way. Face of the Pride. Of course, for Barbie, I'm going to use Patrick Ta. And of course, the shade will be She's a Doll. Obviously. Like, what else we could expect, you know? Apply the powder version first. Because, you know, he was always saying that... Like, he's always saying that firstly the powder and then the cream. And I tried this technique several times and I really liked it because you have like the glowy finish, you know, you have the skin-like effect, which is nice. Jeffree Star as a highlighter slash the blush topper. I was like, what should I do? I was lost, sorry. My inner corner. Oui. A little bit here, here. Don't need here. Barbie. That's intense, Barbie. I will not go with those lips, but I just wanted to make a full Barbie experience. This pencil from Revolution in the color chocolate. This one, light. And I will use MAC Viva Glam X Nicki Minaj. This Barbie doll pink. Wow. Actually, I can use it without, eh? Now I discovered a new combo, new favorite combo. Okay, nice. This is actually a great combo to make, yeah? Okay. So we discovered this combo. Wow, it's even better like this. But I want now to have something, so I will do another MAC Viva Glam with Miley Cyrus. It looks like wow. So I fell in love with this combo. Why MAC is so good with lipsticks? Why? Well, obviously I will not go with those lips, but still, you have this option. Full Barbie experience. Okay, guys, so we finished running to work like this. Great. Have a good day. My name is Ira. Subscribe, thumbs up, comments below. Any activity will be super appreciated. And see you soon. Barbie. Yeah. I'm actually super pink. Barbie.